Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you about transgenic organisms. Children, you have to know which organisms are called transgenic. An organism in which a foreign gene has been artificially transferred is known as transgenic organisms. Children, transgenic organisms are also called genetically modified organisms or genetically engineered organisms. So you have to keep in mind the organisms in which foreign genes have been transferred artificially is known as transgenic organisms. Transgene is a foreign gene artificially transferred into an organisms. So you have to learn what is transgene. A foreign gene artificially transferred into an organism is known as transgene. It is constructed by ligating the foreign DNA into a vector or a carrier DNA, which can then be incorporated into the host DNA and expressed correctly by the host cell. Transgenic organisms are divided into two categories: transgenic plants and transgenic animals. You see, what are the transgenic plant? During the last 2 decades, several transgenic plants which are resistant to herbicides, insects, viruses, and a host of other stresses have been produced. Some transgenic plants are suitable for food processing, some are used for molecular farming, and some are used for the study of regulated gene expression. So, transgenic plants for crop improvements. Transgenes of several plants of economic value are produced for various purposes. Transgenic plants have been generated by the introduction of genes which could make the plants resistant to disease, herbicides, increase their nutritional value, increase their storage life. There is Bt toxin genes obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis. This gene have been introduced into corn, cotton, and potato for making them resistant to insect pest. There are transgenic plant in monocotyledons. Monocotyledons are ordinarily not infected by agrobacterium. So, transgenic monocotyledonous plants have been produced, and these plants show expression of resistance to herbicides. There are some transgenic plants for molecular farming. Transgenic plants are also used as factories for manufacturing specialty chemicals and pharmaceuticals. The genetic engineering has helped in increasing the contents of sugar, fatty acid, starch, cellulose, rubber, and wax. All these we are getting from the plant. For increasing their production, transgenic plants have been developed, and the transgenic plants give us more sugar, fatty acid, starch, cellulose, rubber, and other contents. There are transgenic plants to study regulated gene expression. Transgenic plants have particularly been found useful in the study of development. With their help, gene expression can be studied in time and space. Children, now next is transgenic animals. Animals that have their DNA manipulated to possess and express a foreign gene are known as transgenic animals. Transgenic animals have been used for basic as well as applied research. Transgenic animals include sheep, goat, pigs, rabbits, chickens, and fish. These transgenic animals have efficiency in utilizing food, provide linear meat, and resistant to certain disease. Transgenic animals can also be utilized as a living bioreactors. There are many transgenic animals. Transgenic mice. Transgenic mice are developed for use in testing the safety of vaccine before they are used on human. Transgenic mice evolved transfer of human growth hormones. Transgenic sheep was produced, and these transgenic sheep are used for producing human anti-hemophilic factors. Transgenic pigs carrying growth hormones, and they are helpful in increasing the growth of human beings in which there is shortage or deficiency of growth hormone. Transgenic goats and transgenic cows also have been developed. Transgenic cows give us milk which are rich in protein, and transgenic cows were produced containing a bovine alpha S1 casein promoter. So children, I told about the transgenic organisms. So transgenic organisms are very useful